Today, I'll walk you through how to design an email newsletter in Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a visually appealing newsletter so you can effectively engage your audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey to Mailchimp. Take a moment to type in the URL, and once you're there, we can move on. Next, navigate to the Mailchimp website. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you can access your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the login page, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to quickly log in using your Google account, making the process seamless. Now that you're logged in, look for the Create Email button on your dashboard. Click on it to start designing your newsletter. This is your gateway to creating engaging email content that can captivate your audience. When prompted, select From Scratch if you want to design your own email. This option gives you complete control over the layout and design, allowing you to customize it to fit your brand. Now it's time to customize your newsletter as needed. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface from time to time, but the core functionalities remain the same. To add images, simply click on the image block and then click Add. Visuals are crucial in email newsletters as they can enhance your message and make it more appealing. For this tutorial, we'll use stock images. Stock images can be a great resource, especially if you don't have your own visuals ready. Next, choose your image from the stock library. Take your time to find an image that aligns with the theme of your newsletter. Once you've selected your image, click on Insert. Continue customizing your entire email based on how you want to design it. Everything you need should be in the Blocks section, making it easy to drag and drop elements into your newsletter. And there you have it. You've successfully designed an email newsletter in Mailchimp. Remember, the key to a great newsletter is not just the design, but also the content that resonates with your audience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.